If you think hedgehogs are just spiky little balls of cute, you're right, but there's so much more to them. Get ready to have your mind blown, because today we're re-diving into 10 cute and surprising facts about these amazing creatures. Let's start with a big one. Hedgehogs aren't rodents. A lot of people mix them up with porcupines or other spiky critters, but they're actually in a family called Erinaceidae, making them insectivores. Their closest relatives are shrews and moles. So next time someone calls them a rodent, you can politely set the record straight. Speaking of those famous spikes, did you know a group of hedgehogs is called an array? It makes perfect sense when you think about an array of pointy quills. And these quills aren't just for show. Each one is a hollow hair made of keratin, the same stuff our fingernails are made of. They're surprisingly lightweight but incredibly strong. So what happens when a hedgehog is born? They're not born with sharp spikes, thankfully for their mums. Baby hedgehogs, called hogolts, are born with soft, pliable spines just beneath their skin. These spines emerge within a few hours and harden over the next few weeks. Imagine a tiny, wrinkly little bean with soft bristles. It's cuteness overload. Here's a really quirky one. Hedgehogs have a strange behavior called anointing. When they encounter a new or strong scent, they'll lick and chew on it until they create a frothy saliva. And then they'll twist their bodies to spread this scented spit all over their quills. Scientists aren't totally sure why they do this, but it might be a form of camouflage or a way to deter predators. It's a bit gross, but totally fascinating. Now, what about their senses? Hedgehogs actually have pretty poor eyesight. They see mostly in shades of brown and cream and can't see very far. To make up for it, they have an incredible sense of hearing and a fantastic sense of smell. They rely on their nose and ears to navigate the world, find food, and detect danger long before they can see it. And when they find that food, they can be surprisingly noisy eaters. Hedgehogs love to munch on insects, snails, and slugs. When they're enjoying a meal, they often grunt, snuffle, and smack their lips with delight. It's a little symphony of snacking sounds. They're also lactose intolerant, so please never leave out a saucer of milk for a hedgehog. Water is always the best choice. Did you know hedgehogs are nocturnal? They spend their days curled up in a safe nest of leaves and grass, and then come out at night to explore and forage. A single hedgehog can travel up to 2 miles in one night searching for food. They're like little nighttime adventurers, patrolling gardens and woodlands under the cover of darkness. Let's talk about their defense mechanism. When a hedgehog feels threatened, it doesn't run away. Instead, it curls into a tight, impenetrable ball. Powerful muscles along its back pull the skin and quills over its entire body, protecting its soft belly and face. It's such an effective strategy that very few predators can get past it. Even though they're covered in spikes, hedgehogs are actually great swimmers. They can paddle surprisingly well and are able to cross small streams or ponds. However, they can get into trouble in garden ponds with steep sides because they can't climb out. So if you have a pond, a little ramp can be a lifesaver for these spiky swimmers. And for our final fact, hedgehogs hibernate during the cold winter months when food is scarce. They find a cozy spot, lower their body temperature, and go into a deep sleep. Their heartbeat slows down dramatically, and they can stay this way for months, waking up occasionally for a quick snack before dozing off again. It's their ultimate survival strategy for a long, cold winter. And that's a wrap on our 10 surprising hedgehog facts. Which one did you find the most interesting? Let me know in the comments below. These little creatures are truly special, and it's so important we help protect their habitats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. See you next time.